What is up, guys? Tradent Gaming here, also known as J-Risk. I'm back again. I know I keep saying I'm trying to stick with it. Guys, just don't bag on me, please. I'm making a video of how to create a Minecraft server 1.11. It's with plugins. So go to your desktop. What you're going to want to start by doing is creating a new folder on your desktop or whatever area you want. And just create this folder, call it whatever you want, Minecraft server. For this video, I'm going to call it tutorial. Let's open tutorial, and we're just going to open up Google Chrome. Going to want to go to the Minecraft.net website. After doing so, that will load and go to menu, trial and download. Over here where it says play with your friends, if you're playing on play with friends, the easiest option is subscription and all that. It says set up your own Minecraft server. It's highlighted in green. Click on that, and then right here it'll say download the Minecraft server for PC/Mac. First thing you're going to want to do is download Minecraft server.1.11.2.jar. Click keep, open up tutorial, drag tutorial over, click and drag and drop Minecraft server.1.11.2 into tutorial once it's done downloading, whatever it's doing right now. Okay, now that it's done, which it shouldn't take that long for you guys, I don't know what my PC's doing. Click and hold hold your mouse button down, left mouse button, drag it into tutorial, right click, and open. After doing so, something will pop up and then it'll close right away. Then a few files will generate, and right here you've got the EULA. Right click and edit with Notepad++ or whatever you're going to edit it with, and change the EULA equals false to EULA equals true. No capitalization or anything of the sort matters. In doing so, double click on Minecraft server.1.11.2 again. In doing so, server will start to load up and build up again. Now that it says done, you can either do stop, or if you want to make sure that it's working, go to multiplayer, click direct connect or add server, and type in localhost. Now, if you look at the console, it'll say that you just joined the game. I just joined the game. So see, I'm in game right now, and all beautiful and everything. You can disconnect, and in console, you can click on that little bar underneath console and type in stop. In doing so, the server will have been stopped. Now what you're going to want to do is go to the link, the Mediafire link that I have in the description, and it's a link to Spigot 1.11.2. I prefer Spigot over anything else, so you'll just want to go and download that. This link will be in the description. Just click download, click keep, let it download, open up tutorial again, drag in Spigot.1.11.2.jar. In doing so, you will have all these current files. Then you'll go back to the copy this entire code. If you want to leave that GUI that you saw, just remove the no GUI on the end. If not, keep no GUI. Go in here, right click, new text document, name it run.bat, or just run because we'll have to resave it again in this folder. Once it's there, open it and paste in that. In doing so, it'll give the regular Minecraft server 1 gig. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the Spigot-1.11.2, rename it, and press Ctrl-C at the same time without removing anything. And then now we'll go back to the text document and replace everything before .jar of the Minecraft _server. And press Ctrl-V or right click and paste. Now press save. Come back. Keep the text document open, and then go to File, Save As, and right here it'll say normal text file .text. If you're using Windows, if you're using Notepad++, it'll have all the options, and you can set it to a batch file, which is right here. If not, then you will have to do it'll say something of the sort like any file. Just click save. And now there's a Windows batch file in there. Now, right now we are running this 1 gig of RAM. If you right click and edit, it should only say 1 gig of RAM. This is in megabytes. If you change this to 1 and then capital G on both, 1G, that changes it to the amount of gigs. For now, we are going to put this to 2, so change the 1 to 2 on both. Click File, and then Save, and close out of it. Now, double click on the run. Now you will have a command prompt that opens up and will run Spigot. It says this is outdated, but ignore that. It is not actually outdated. This is the most recent version. Just wait for it to load up. And now we have a 2 gigabyte Minecraft server with, this is the wrong server, with Spigot hosted. The next step would be port forwarding, although I would rather not get into that as it's kind of tricky when it comes to my router. If you switch to console, I don't really know what this is doing right here. Kinda losing my mind with that. Turn it back on. Huh. There we go, that's better. I don't know what the problem was there. You go back to the console. Oh gosh, I'm gonna get killed by something. You go back to console, and you do /op, or don't even put the slash. In console, you don't need to have the /op space and then your username, which mine is legit_risk, so I would op legit_risk. So now I'm opt, and it is Spigot /fly/gmc. Oh right, we don't have essentials in. So yeah, there's this is basically just how to get a Spigot server up and running in the meantime. And you guys can look over plugin tutorials or anything of the sort to find your way through. I may or may not be uploading any plugin tutorials in the future or near future, because for the time being I only have a few hours left in my day, because I will be gone for a little while. But I'm going to try and get back into posting. I've seen some people have issues with Spigot, so I'm going to try and fix their issues. I don't really see what they're doing wrong. And I apologize for not being in recently. It's seems like I'm always apologizing every single episode. I'm going to be posting videos more frequently now. I've got an unturned server up, I've got a Minecraft server up, and I'm going to just try and keep to the both. So yeah, guys, I Whenever you want to stop your server in game or in console, just do /stop, or in console do stop. And then it will stop by itself. And there you go. If you're getting errors, right click the run, click edit, and then hit enter after the nogui and do and pause. Keep in mind, I will have this in the description, but basically what this does is that whenever you run the server and you stop it, after it stops, it'll pause, and you can you have to press any button to close it, but you can actually read through the config or log or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, guys, this is Triton showing you how to do this. So you guys have a great day. Peace.